Good morning, everybody. Well, today's the day I get to mount my Southern Style Offroad Versa bumper. So I'll show you guys what we're going to do. There's the bumper. I got the Smittybilt X20 Winch in there and the Rough Country 20-inch LED light. We're going to be cutting that bad boy off, putting this on. I do have the stage 2 coming for the wings, but unfortunately that's not going to arrive, I think, now till Monday. So we'll get this part done. We can add that later. First side's taped up and ready. Weston's taping the second side. Let's try this first cut. Not too bad. Just remember always, cut twice, measure once. I cut a little low on this one because it seems pretty high and I don't have the stage 2 to actually put up here and check, but that way I can cut off a little more if I need to once it comes in. After I got the stage 2 on, it was clear I didn't cut enough and had to go back and redo it. Well, the cutting's going pretty fast. I think the taping is taking the most time. Hopefully we didn't screw anything up. Now it's time for the second side. I would recommend, if you're doing this, to use a full face visor, not just glasses. The plastic coming off of here is pretty hot. And as you can see by my glasses, it's getting everywhere. All right, whoa! We have contact. There we go. Woo! It's off, and it don't look too pretty.
Looks like you got an overbite.
These ones, they said, just pop off.
Yeah, there's like this in there. Through the car.
Or when none of this works and we have to put it all back together. See some aluminum there. All right. Next, we used a file to clean up the rough edges before we put on the edge trim. In the video, they make it look real easy.
You almost had it perfectly symmetrical.
Well, we got it up there. Now, time to...
Yeah. Are you okay if I kind of lift and push on my end?
Yep. So we used a jack to lift up the bumper into place, but then it actually attached pretty easily and we were able to tighten it up. All right, we got it all put on there. Winch hooked up, the lights all set to go. Those are the ambers, the daytime running lights. Just waiting for these side fins. Should come in on Monday. I think that looks pretty awesome. I'm very pleased with that. Okay, my stage 2's just arrived. let's get this unboxed and hopefully I measured correctly. And these will go on quickly. I love the way they package this stuff. Very nicely. Oh. Bolts. Like this side. This one should go here. Let's see if we can make this happen. Looks like I cut it a little too long. Had to trim it up a little bit. It's better than cutting it too short. I redid the trim with the new trim. Goes all the way across. Let's see if we can get these things on. Well, I got it on, but this bolt here, the very end, can't get a ratchet on it. Got to do it by hand, so it's going to take about 1,000 turns. I like it. Next, it was time to put on the passenger side. All right. I think that's about it. Wow. Okay. Looks pretty good. So this bolt holds the bottom of the bumper in through this piece. So my question is this piece needed? Or can I just put a nut on the other end? If you know, let me know. Kind of sticks out about 2 inches. So this is the piece I'm talking about. I don't know if that's needed or not. Guess it provides a little bit of protection. I'm very pleased with the outcome of my Southern Style Off-Road bumper, along with the Smittybilt winch and rough country lights. Now I'll show you a few pictures of it in action on a recent trip to Colorado.